You don't think
I'm gonna check it for power.
you don't think these have leaked at all yet? You think it's temperature on there?
Yeah, eventually will, not yet. That'll last for years.
Huh?
Now we got it, gentlemen, these are our frame springs. We're gonna paint the frames tomorrow. That frame is for that one, and this frame is for the big one outside. So we can take and roll them in with a quick space like a window box, so we can work on. That'd be nice. Yeah, it's a lead route.
Nice. Where we going? Right.
That's what I would guess.
Oh wait. Oh yeah. Go ahead. No, I put the open the fells when you're ready. Yeah, look up both sides, right? Now that the pump goes to the center, right?
The center goes to
Yeah.
there. You always recover on the liquid line, right? I mean on the liquid side.
Yeah.
Now, just remember, you never take the loose of the 1/4 inch on a line that leaves the recovery unit to the tank, because that's all liquid. Besides that, everything is perfect.
Wait. You gotta open these valves. No, not yet.
Open the valves, go open first before you cut it on?
Well, you can't cut it out.
Right.
I gotta get the fire retardant material and all that stuff.
Fire retardant material.
Yes, you don't burn my heat pumps up.
Oh, come on. You know.
Okay, now I'll be right back.
We're not gonna do nothing. We're gonna recover. That's all.
Okay, I'll be right back. You recover. I gotta get that stuff so we don't burn things up.
Well, you should have been ready for us, man. Been here all day.
Is he like a beer buddy of yours?
No.
You give him a lot of shit.
But you know what? No, actually, I've been coming to school here for 4 years. He's been my teacher for almost all my classes for the last 3 years. So yeah, I've been giving him a lot of shit for 3 years.
You had to open it fully or just crack it?
I just think you got to just back it off. That's all.
That's what all over your hand.
Huh? Oil.
From what?
The freaking hose, the line says.
Oh, leaked out? Yeah. So you got purged first. Is it open?
You purge it with manifold, right?
That's
It's
what I
gonna
found.
go all go to here, so
The purge from there?
You can plug this in.
No. Well, we're not going to use that. We're not going to use. Well, that's a.
Oh, yeah, 220?
It's 220.
Need a cord?
Yeah, I got it over here. Oh, a vacuum on this? Or did you just plug it in?
No, we didn't do nothing. Just take the power.
Oh, did Joe do it?
Yes, I think it's.
Oh, okay, so that's full of vacuum on there. So now we got plugged. Another extension.
I swear to God, at least they could do is they could have like.
You run a cord.
Well, they got all these power strips, Charles. Run power to all these stupid benches.
They haven't been working like for 3 years.
They never work. So come on.
Where's Popek at?
I don't think he's an electrician. You ain't got a cord? probably below the fuse, right? You watch, you gotta pull through the edge.
Oh, man.
There's your power. And you can take the grounded plug.
Wow.
Charge the system, charge the line set.
That's a good thing though, that pump, it shuts off automatically.
Safety.
Built-in safety.
Yeah.
High pressure. Nice.
Requirement for this type of plant.
Yeah.
Gotta have something safe. Otherwise, we'll be breaking pumps constantly.
Yeah, but all the dangerous guys ain't here.
What thing did that?
Yeah, the guys that left right after the lecture, they're not
Guys
here.
that never show up?
I got a question, okay? Remember I asked you last week, if you don't know the amount of equipment in the system, this is my question. Can you just recover it, weigh it, and then at least you know how much goes in the system? You can't do it like that either?
I mean, what if the wrong amount's in there?
Damn, it's still messed up. So you just don't do it then, right?
Well, if it were me, here,
That's what I'm asking.
let's see. If it were me, I go by experience, which I think that most 3 to 5